Watch them a tell lie and believe it. Pussy them switch up and go on like a weed tweet. Get strength from me heart, no for the street seat. Mount of people may help, never say a weed tweet.
Terro Don, I'm a lot the place, you know. I give you the best review.
People, let me tell you this. You see, from me say so, I saw it go. So, Kyodi and Jahmiel released a single entitled Conspiracy. Yo, I one of the wickedest songs this for that area. Trust me. And Chronicler released a single entitled Mind Games. Yo, me have to say, yo, big up Chronicler. Him consistent from him bust till now and him nah job farm. That's how me rate about Chronicler. Big up Teejay and Govana. Them have a single entitled Forgive Me. People, yo, but if you want the nut chatting, make we kick off the intro.
Blood run like water when you bring Savrak. You want know me dog just from quick chaka. Chick like a make body look like a pig chatter. Catch them in a bar, them off a drink copper.
Remember to check out Kundan's single entitled Darkness. And that depend the Greenleaf Rhythm, where you have Chronicler and the whole of the artist tempan. As I say so. Let's go check him out and thing. His name Kundan, the single entitled Darkness. The link for it in the description in the comment section tag up in. Let's go check him out and thing. Tell him say a Terro Don sending over there so. Run up him video, go straight 1 million and more.
If me fall all the boy, them a pretty deep. God knowing good I get a shot in them teeth feet. Fuck what people think if you do it. People can't please until you know your deep sleep.
This is something when I grow, come understand. You see me? I always hear people I said, but I never understand it until I grow up. When we are know, say what you know. You see, people don't try please them. Them can't please. You see me? The only time them are going to be pleased, well, them still not going to be pleased, but them kind of be pleased. When they're in a deep sleep, I'm not talk bed. You see me? Me I talk a sleep where nobody can hear from you again. You not go wake up. You dig what me I say? And Kyodi I make you know, say dog, you see him follow all that pussy over there, so him get a shot in him face. I saw me pray more while, but guess what, go on, take that out tight, that different. That now have nothing to do with me. That song here is a perfect collab. I like the way how the year start off with Kyodi career and Jahmiel. Jahmiel, we know say them man they make for do it song. Kyodi, them man they make for it song. So if you say the two of them combine and do a song like this, we have to say, yo, great work. You see me, big up the producer them on the track same way. Cause you don't know, we can't left them out, you know. Cause them play a vital role. Big up the video director. Big up the whole team. That's all I can say. Cause the song, well put together, video put together, everything I tell, the one story where everybody want to get to. So, it's a great song. Conspiracy. Yeah man, I'm going to go check it out right now. It's on YouTube. So just type in Kyodi and Jahmiel Conspiracy. You have to find it for you type in that.
Why you think everything we do them crazy? I'ma make shot for you, but I come make them plans back for you.
So you know say, when certain things happen in our life, you know so we can make things happen in the reverse way, but we just stay so boom and easy, cause karma is a bitch. You see me? So that Jahmiel I make you know, so watch you know, we could have make shot fire. We could have do all of them things, but guess what? A karma and them things they're gonna make for them plan backfire. So if them did plan for sell you out, them did plan for do all of them things that it a backfire upon them. So who them a look forward to probably go sell them out or it happened to them family where them love the most or something. You see me I say? Karma, it probably not happen to you, but it must reach somebody in your group or somebody where you know. You see me? It affect you. Once you do something bad in your life. Not care what, karma. It now wait upon you, it does go attack you. And it now tell you say it come, it does go come. Just like that. Karma, serious thing. So, when time people feel like say them a do we bad, them a do themselves bad, cause it go reach them back. You see it? When them least expect it. Here we go on. We could close off that song here with that part here.
Oh, fair now, we just a start. Stinking rich, just a fat. See that to bumbo clad. Goon is a boss a park side of the beam. I watch it because watch it muffler dog. No want nobody for talk to me. It no hard for see not even number them not get for call and ask a warm to me. Me see them try for light a fire as them reach across the bridge.
You see after karma backfire upon them, at this is what Chronicler say. We no want nobody for call to me. Me no want you get a number for me. Me no want you tell me a problem. Me no want hear your stress. You see me? Because when I do no fuckery, we never da consider them things. So here we go on. Don't call me. Don't text me. Don't link me more. Good. And that song where Chronicler released near Mind Games. So you feel like say you can play mind games for me? No dog. Remember say we're good at chess and jaff and and craft and all them something there. So when you are try work your mind games, you look a peanut brain. You don't have a steady mind, you don't have a mind of your own, a people mind you try use. So you have to understand them things. Now that song is very relatable to a lot of people out there probably go through that situation right now. Chronic Law is for the streets and everybody know that. People can't go around with Chronic Law offer in a dancehall music. Chronic Law offer the streets. It's like you get the full package of the street when you listen to Chronic Law. You know exactly how the street I think when you listen to Chronic Law. Trust me. Chronic Law, if you ask any other ghetto youth in a day, now the slum and ask them, say, yo, Chronic Law, what you think about him? You know what I tell you, say, yo, Chronic Law for the streets. Chronic Law, where them listen if you come out a problem. Chronic Law, where them listen for all a meditation for not do certain things, because Chronic Law teach people. Even some of my dog them tell me, say, yo, when time them there, behind the bars and them thing, they are alone. Chronic Law, them have to listen, because Chronic Law give them hopes. Say there is better. So music powerful, man. Is what I say?
Them full of talk that come with empty promises. Me live well, fully dark, the chest I start feel like a fridge. Love everywhere with deals, I probably poor and me go live. Father, can you wipe this pain away? Trying to break these heavy chains of me.
And next thing, I could big up Teejay, I could big up Govana. You don't really big up yourself, you know what thing goes. You know what I say, I really would. I want to say real songs what have to put effort for show the people them say. We hear the song, man, and we like the song, so we have put the song in the review right through. I just they said there, and the song is entitled Forgive Me by Teejay and Govana. And this just embrace unity more and more in a dancehall, cause dancehall lack of unity, you know. Enough people probably don't know that, you know, say. If even the simple look thing them, the man that on the rhythm here, and next man probably not go and go on the rhythm there because him and him not deal from generation days. You see what I say? So if you say two top artists I do a collaboration, you have to big them up for that. Cause that not really happen, dog. You see me I say everybody I try to lean pan smaddy and people I say you don't vice pan that rhythm there after you the vice pan rhythm and have vice and you have your style maker you put man pan rhythm man. One bag of look at things. So if you see the two big artists them, the giants them really embrace the love in the music like that. Cause one time a white time, you know say a white time I will not care, but one time I love and embrace and elevate and cross the music over. We have to embrace that just like how we embrace war in a dancehall culture. You see me? Dancehall is a competitive sport. So if the competitors them can live as one and the fans them can see that is a great look. So Govana and Teejay, very good song. Forgive Me. I could hear more of that song there. You don't know until next time. I'm out. One chop.
Rich for rich. Stop bad mind and low negative. Make you